Hindi pa. Squishy to guys, pero ang ginagawa. Wow! Para bukas kasi parang. Good morning guys. Ayan, nag-i-edit ako. Anong oras niya? It's 6:34 and eto si Jen, di nyo makita. Alis siya. May pupuntahan siya. Magkukross siya sa border. Ayan eh. Good morning. See you. Drive careful. What time do you think you will be home? Huh? 11? Alright, see you.
Kids up 6, 7, so they can have shower.
Yeah. Okay, see you. Drive carefully, okay? Who's going with you? Just you? Okay. Good luck. Bye. Good morning. Good morning. Gawin ko sila, hindi pala, lunch order pala sila ngayon. Monday ngayon, so lunch order sila ngayon. Kuha ako nitong dalawa. Nilalagay ko dito yung pangalan nila, then yung order nila for lunch, and then yung pambayad nila. Ayan, isulat ko na yung pangalan tsaka year, and ang order ni Kuya ay cup noodles, isa, and si Sakir 1, isang Hawaiian pizza, and yung pera nandito sa bag, then ilalagay ko yan, ipapasok ko yan dito, and ito yung brain food nila, strawberries and snacks, kay Zach and kay Kuya TJ, so ilalagay na nila yan sa bag. Okay, thank you, and then ito ilalagay ko sa bag din. Tingnan nyo, sinay ko yung bag ni Zach kasi diba, pinapalagay ko yung kanya. Mayroon siyang extrang 2 biscuit. Hindi talaga siya magugutom. So, ilan na tong snacks mo, Zach? 3 bikis, tapos may ganito pa siyang, may isang oat, tapos Pringles, and yung brain food, and yung lunch order niya. O, diba? Saan ka pa niyan, Zach? Hindi ka magugutom. So, dito to sa taas, itong brain food niya. Wait lang. Si Kuya rin pala, meron siyang 2 extrang biscuits. And ito yung kanyang baon today. So, meron siyang 2 biscuit. 4 lahat. And why this is open, Kuya?
I want to turn it open.
Okay, just do like this. Okay, close it. And yung lunch order mo, where you gonna put this
In
one?
my front.
Make sure you don't lose this one, okay? Oy, Kuya. Yeah. You right? You ready?
But hang on, it's not time yet.
Oh, you still have a lot of time, Zaki. Kasi ready na siya also.
I don't see it.
And nag-toast and Vegemite sila. Patapos sila mag-shower. Alis na sila. See you, Kuya. Listen and
Learn.
love you. See you, Zach.
Mom.
See ya. Listen and learn, okay? Love you. Drive carefully. Drive carefully. Parang mag-drive sila ng ka. Watch for the car. Bye, nak. Nakaligo na ako. And kami ni Holly alis kami kasi may swimming lesson siya. Come on, Papa. Oy, put this in the bin, please.
No,
And wait lang.
I can't put this in the wiping the stain.
Si Jan pala nandito na tinawag niya ka. I'm coming, Han.
Wiping the stain.
Ayaw niya itapon sa bin kasi mabaho raw yung ano. 11 sabi niya 'di ba kanina, darating siya and it's 11 na. And dito na siya. How many hours to get there, Han?
No, it's only 45 minutes.
Okay, fine. And eto na yung wood na kinuha niya sa Victoria. So, dapat hindi pa yan today. Kasi hindi pa naman winter and we're not even half, honey, we're not even half autumn, right? No. So, wala pa kami kalahati sa autumn. Pero si Jan, nag-order na siya. Kinuha niya na. Ayun si Holly, oh. Wait lang. Usually, yung lalaki, dinideliver yan dito sa amin. So, yun na nga. Pinahinto ko lang siya kasi ang ingay, hindi niya ako maririnig. Etong mga wood na to, dinideliver to sa bahay ng pinagkukunan namin sa Victoria. Pero kagabi si Jan, nung nalaman, naalala nyo na sabi magsasara yung borders ng South Australia and Victoria, right, Han? They're gonna close on Tuesday. Bukas na, alas 4 ra. Honey, they're gonna close 4 o'clock tomorrow on Tuesday, right? O yung borders, magko-close tomorrow ng alas 4. Then kagabi, nung nagsasampay ako, may kausap si Jan and sabi niya, tumawag raw siya sa pulis. Why did you ring the cops, Han?
Safe was going to be closed today.
Oh, inano niya lang ba, minake sure niya lang ba na kung pwede pa siyang lumabas ngayon. Kaya siya tumawag sa pulis. Sabi ko, bakit pulis? Kasi yung mga pulis daw may alam din. So, tinawagan niya and sabi niya, oo daw, pwede pa. Kaya madaling araw, 6:30 umalis siya. And ayan, naghakot siya ng kahoy. Hindi yung lalaki, kundi siya ang nagdala. So, iisa-isahin niya yan. Tingnan nyo, wala na kasi kaming wood. And pa-winter na. Hindi pa naman kasi wala pa naman half ng hindi pa kami kalahati sa autumn. Ayan, wala na kaming wood. So, kasi diba, hindi namin alam kung kailan magiging normal kasi yun nga, nag-start na magsara yung borders dito sa South Australia and Victoria. So, hindi na kami pwedeng lumabas ng state. So, dito na kami. And ayan si Johnny Boy. And mamaya, 12, may swimming lesson si Holly. And yung mga boys din, 2 weeks sila walang swimming kasi may ginawa yung, may busy yung teacher nila. Pero ika-catch up. No, not yet. Narinig nyo yung bell? Akala niya finish na sila kuya. Hindi pa. That's recess. Break time. And ika-catch up nila yung na-miss nilang class kasi siya naman yung nagsabing wala munang swimming. Kaya yun, ika-catch up nila pero hindi ko alam kung kailan. And nag-text siya kahapon na na-resume na yung swimming lesson ng mga bata. Pero kung may sipon ka upo, hindi ka pwede pumasok. Kasi syempre, diba, ingat-ingat. Yan mo na siya, oh. Happy ka, Baba? You're gonna go swimming. And yung boys pala, nagbago rin pala yung schedule. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, si Holly lang yung nagbago yung schedule. Yung boys din kasi, diba, na-cancel na last time yung golf lesson ni Stack nung nandun kayo sa Adelaide. Si Kuya lang yung nag-golf lesson. And then, hanggang ngayon, kahapon, wala kami narinig na nag-resume sila. So, hindi namin alam kung kailan yung golf lesson ulit ng mga bata sa Adelaide. So, dito na kami muna sa bahay. And kayo din dyan, guys. Ingat-ingat. And again, today is March 23, honey?
Yeah.
So, yan ang nangyayari sa Australia ngayon. March 23. And sabi ko nga, late ang vlog. So, pasensya na. And pag napanood nyo to, sana talaga okay na ang lahat. Kung hindi man sana, much better kaysa ngayon. And sana talaga bumalik sa normal ang buhay natin. Right, Baba?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, tulungan ko na si John.
Help.
Mommy, gonna help Daddy. Hoy, Baba, alis ka dyan. Magkakaroon ka ng splinter. Saan ko kayo ilalagay?
Honey, I'm down, down, down. But tell me if you are. Now, now, now. Let's not make it hard.
Hi, Bryce. I'm happy you saved me here.
Yes. You wouldn't have been doing it right, would you?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Look at Bryce gonna wear gloves, honey.
Yeah, but hey, it's a little soft as well. Got a hard end here, soft.
You got your...
I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up lately, 'cause you feel so. I know that you're feeling something. I know that this could be love. I know that you ain't so trusting, but
Iwan ko na sila dito, guys. Nandito na yung friend ni Jan. Sila na magpapatuloy. Ayan na yung nailalagay dito. Oh. Ayan. And meron pang konti dyan. Yeah, let's go. And ayan.
And I don't swimming.
Ayun. See you, Han.
Yeah.
Thanks, Bryce. See ya. Bihisan ko lang si Holly ng pang swimming.
And I don't swimming.
So, yung woods, hindi yan enough for winter, guys.
Wow.
Pero, nagre-ready lang nga. Just in case talagang, hindi kasi namin alam kung kailan sila magbubukas yung borders after na nag-close.
I clean my my baby.
Oh, you
My
bring...
boy one.
Ah, the boy baby. Okay.
Our.
Kumuha na siya ng ano. Ayun, nakabihis na siya. And kumuha siya ng pang-brush. Sa kanyang bukas
I
itatali.
don't swimming now.
Yes, baby. Wait. Okay. Thank you,
I
Mom.
don't swimming.
Yes. Come on, Baba. Dito na kami. Come on. You have to listen, okay? Good girl.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Come on, guys. Good job. Galing sila doon. Oh. Galing doon hanggang dito. Good job, Baba. Going back na, Baba. Baba, turn around, Baba. Roll over. Go, Baba. Baba, Baba, go. Hold. You scared me. Lie down, Baba. Lay back. And hold your noodle. I don't have a drama. Kick, kick. Good job. Balik naman siya. Good job, Baba. Good job.
Terus ya kita long arm,
Good job. Good job, Papa. Good listening. Good job. Eto, tatlo to. Binawasan na isa para mag-work yung arms niya. Para matuto na siya maglangoy. Ay, 4 pala siya. So, binawasan ng 2 kay Holly para magamit niya na ba yung arms niya. Ayan, 2 na. Ikaw, Baba?
Jumping, turn around, get your little part left. Ready, get it on. Turn it. Back to the wall. Jump. Start. Good job.
Wow.
Good girl. Go back, Molly. Sit down, Molly. Start.
Yung gagas niya. Wow! Good job. Oh, wow!
I got one lollipop.
Meron ditong lollipop kasi good swimming sila. So may pa-lollipop si Mayora. What color? Oh, just one, Papa. Just one. Okay. What you gonna say? Thank you. Say thank you to...
One thing I got show.
Naririnig niyo siya. Kanina pa siya kumakanta. Nandito pa kami sa my lighthouse. Duman muna kami dito. And after dito...
But maybe you know one thing I got show.
Wow, very good, Baba.
But maybe you
Dadaan ako sa sa
I got
friendly grocer. Titingin ako kung meron silang chicken breast.
I got show.
Ang ingay ng aking kasama. Titingnan ko meron silang chicken breast tsaka cucumber. And ito pala yung view natin, guys. Ayan, nag-relax muna kami dito ni Holly. Kasi si Jan, wala din siya sabay pag uwi namin. Kasi tinulungan niya yung friend niya, yung tumulong sa amin maghakot ng mga kahoy. Doon sa shed. And wala ngayong tao dito. Pag nagdadrive ako, laging meron dyan na 2 car o kaya isa. Pero ngayon wala. And then yung ang ingay. Ang pag-drive ko papunta dito sa wait, Baba. Pag-drive ko papunta sa swimming niya, wala rin namang baby, wait. I'm talking. Please. Kumakanta talaga siya. Yung pag-drive ko papunta sa swimming ni Holly, wala rin masyadong car. As in, walang tao sa park. Kasi dito, may park ditong 2. So, walang tao. And then, sa swimming ni Holly, wala rin masyadong tao. Well, 3 lang naman sila nagsiswimming. So, may isang absent. So, yun. And, hindi pa naman masyadong stricto dito sa lugar namin. Although, kahapon sabi ni Jan, magko-close na yung borders ng South Australia tsaka Victoria. So, hindi na kayo pwede mag-travel papuntang Melbourne kasi Victoria yun. So, dito lang kami sa South Australia talaga. Pwede maggala. Pero, hindi na kayo gagala. Pero, dito na lang kami sa Australia. Hindi na kayo pwedeng tumawid na ibang states. And, kaya kaninang umaga, pumunta na si Jan doon kung saan kami kumukuha ng kahoy. Kasi nga, yung kinukunan namin ay from Victoria. And kagabi lang sinabihan ni Jan. So hindi usually talaga yung lalaki ang nagdi-deliver nun sa amin. Pero si Jan ang pumunta dun kasi nga short notice. So si Jan ang pumunta para kunin yung mga kahoy. So yun ang update dito. Pero sa Victoria, bukas wala na silang pasok. And yeah, wala na silang pasok simula bukas. Dito sa amin, wala pa naman sinasabi na hindi pumasok ang mga bata sa school. So, i-update ko na lang kayo. So, today guys, dito, ang nangyayari today is March 23. Again, late nyo ito mapapanood. So, ngayong March 23, yun yung update dito sa amin. Right, Baba? Yeah. How's your lollies? Good. Okay. What am I doing? So, punta na tayo dun sa shop. Titingin tayo. Sana mayroon si...
Mom.
Yes, okay, let's go.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. Can fly at wings of gold. We touch the
Dito na tayo sa Friendly Grocer. Wala. Parang wala silang chicken, guys. Walay baba. Ito yung mga frozen. Wala rin chicken. Halos beef and mix na barbecue. Ayan. Sausages and burgers. Wala baba. Dito, naubusan din sila ng flour. Walang flour, oh. Eto, kuha tayo nitong corn. Baba, hold this, Baba, for mine. Thank you. Yeah, okay.
Hold on.
Okay. Meron silang Fruit Loops. Okay, get that one. Nakita niya talaga yung Fruit Loops niya. I love you too. And wala rin silang tissue dito, guys. Oh. And kung mayroon man, meron silang limitation sa hand sanitizer, hand wash, toilet paper, tsaka yung long life na milk. Ayan. Yan. So, wala. Wala sila. Eto, kuha tayo nitong pineapple pieces. Hold this, Papa. Thank you. Yung iba nandun na sa my cashier. Linagay na namin doon. Eto pa, Baba. Oh. Thank you. You're alright. Pa tayong tatlo. And kuha rin ako ng cheese. Etong cheddar cheese, dalawa nito. Alam nyo ba, eto din parang paubos na rin to sa Coles. At saka yung mga dilatang kinuha ko, wala na nun sa Coles. Come on, Baba. Come on. Hold this for Mama. Thank you. Come on, let's... Just one. Okay, let's go. Bahay na kami. And si Oli nanonood na ng TV. Baba, can you please turn it down? Please. And nagpalagay siya sa akin ng ipit. And ito yung nabili natin dun sa... Dalawa kasi siya pa pinuntahan ko. Isa yung Friendly Grocer and then yung isang malapit dito sa amin. And alam nyo bang... Napagsabihan ako. Kasi so kumuha ko itong tatlo. And sabi niya sa akin, dalawa lang daw ang allow. So sabi ko, okay. So kumuha ko ng dalawa. And then itong cream of mushroom, 4 dapat to. Pero, ayan, dalawa lang yung allow. And kumuha na rin ako nito. Dalawa niyan. And isa nito. Ito yung corn. And ito, isa lang dapat yung kukunin ko. Nung sinabi niyo, binawasan niyo yung mga dilata. Sabi ko kay Holly, takbo ka doon, kunin mo yung isa. So, meron tayong dalawang Fruit Loops. And ito sa isang shop, nag-iisa, self-raising flour. So, ito na lang yung available nila. So, yeah. First time ko mag-grocery doon. Mini grocery sa shop. Magugas lang tayo ng kamay kasi isasalin ko na yung Fruit Loops kasi paubos na rin yung Fruit Loops namin. Grabe, nagkakaubusan din yung maliliit na shop dito. Wala na. Kunti na lang. Wala na nga itong isang kainan. Isa lang. It's not loud. So, isa lang muna. Ito, ilagay natin to dun sa ating emergency. Hindi ko pa nilalagay ito sa kwarto ni Holly. Mamaya siguro, tingnan ko. Ilagay ko na yung iba. And ito din. Ilagay natin siya dyan sa emergency. So, yan. Siguro mamaya bukas, promise, ilalagay ko na talaga ito sa kwarto ni Holly. Eto, kinuha ko to dun sa laundry room namin kasi meron dun na cabinet and doon ko linalagay yung mga hindi namin ginagamit. Eto, bago pa to. Never ko pa talaga to nagamit. Eto ay from IKEA. Ang gagawin ko ay ilagay ko. Yung isa nito, ayan na, pinaglagyan na ng gamot. And ngayon, dahil mayroon tayong mga emergency na mga gamot, ilagay ko na rin sila dito. Para madali lang siyang makita and maayos. Pinakita ko na ito sa inyo dati, diba? I-arrange ko lang to dito. Para walang kalat dyan sa taas. Ito ang mga bata. Yan sa flu, and then sa lagnat, then sa throat. Meron pa dito yung sa bata. Marami kaming may 3 kaming box na sa mga bata, new refill.
Mom,
Yes,
I love you so much.
I love you so much. Holy girl. Oops.
Is this Korean
That's you, Kuya TJ, and Kuya Sa.
and Holly?
And Holly. Okay.
I am coughing.
Are you coughing? No, you're not coughing. Don't say that, Baba. Oops. How you cough? Tingnan nyo siya. How you cough, Baba? When you cough, how you gonna cough? Good job. Tinuruan namin sila na, si Kuya, yung boys alam naman nila na dito sila nagka-cough, pero sabi ko ngayon, dito na. Hoy, stop it. You're not coughing.
I keep coughing.
No, you're not. Pinagkakasya ko to.
Is that yours, Mom?
Ayan.
For your foot?
Yeah, for my throat. Okay.
Organized.
So, ayan. Organized na siya.
This is mine a little bit. That's
Ayan. Ilagay natin siya dito para hindi magulo.
I done it?
Ah?
I done?
Yeah. Meron pa dito sila na. Ano to?
Mom, I still love you.
I love you too, Baba.
I don't like this, Mom.
So, ayan. Okay na siya.
Mom, I don't
Hindi na
like-
siya magulutin
Mom,
na.
I don't like this. I don't like this.
Okay. Ayan na siya,
This
guys.
is what I did.
So, para
This is
madali
what
lang
I
siya
did.
makita and hindi siya magulo. And may nakikita ko dito. Ano to? Okay, dyan ito. So,
Ma.
yan yung ating mga
Ma.
emergency
This is
na
what
medicine.
I did on
Huh?
today.
What? Okay.
Boy,
Hi, Papa. Itong ginagawa
what do you
niya.
want to eat?
What do you have?
I
Nan-
got top, and you can eat this food, and I have tops, and you need to eat. Which one you like?
Do you have soup?
I have soup inside here.
Oh,
right
wow.
In the bowl.
Okay.
Eat.
So, wala pa si Jan. Mag-aalas 3 na yung mga bata. Parating na yun. So, kami ni Holly, ayan.
Tops.
Naglalaro lang siya. And ako yung kumakain ng mga niluluto niya. And habang siya nagluluto, ako ay nanonood ako ng
And I got some.
Korean
books.
drama. Touch.
And some
Yung
chips.
title nito. Ha?
You can have anything for. I mean,
Where's your ipit? I thought you put your ipit. Where's your ipit now? Tinanggal mo na
I
naman.
have food, so I need to cook it.
Why? You're using your hands when you cook? It's hot. Where's the spoon?
I can't find it.
You can find it. Baby girl?
No, that's a boy.
A boy. How about Teddy?
Baby, that's Teddy the boy.
Oh,
I
Teddy's a
got water.
boy. Are you hungry?
Teddy's hungry too. I
Oh.
want to share with you.
Ah, okay. So what are we having? I said I want soup.
I already got soup here.
Alright. Kinakamay niya lang, oh. Sila talaga. Hindi na iinitan. Papa, when you cook, you have to have a spoon. Where's the spoon? Hindi niya mahanap. So, meron tayong cookies. Ito, cookies. Cookies. May cheese. Oh, do I have to share it with Daddy? Okay, my chips.
You have to share with food. No,
Alright.
that's toy.
What's this?
Coco, that's
Hot dog.
This is toy.
Tomato yata to, ha?
This is toy. That's
This is what?
toy.
Coke.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, may Coke tayo, guys. And chips and, ayan, mayroong biscuits. Thank you, love. I'm done. Thank you. How much?
$8.16 here.
$8.16. Ako pa yung sinuklian.
And
Thank you.
here's some books.
Oh, thank you. So I'm gonna read my book.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
You can read it at the movie.
Oh,
You can bring that to a movie.
I'm just gonna
But
bring.
it's the movie shot.
Oh, the movie shots. Oh, yes.
When
Tama
it's
nga naman.
open.
Shot ngayon yung mga
Mom,
movies.
Daddy didn't want to.
Alright, so mommy gonna watch this. Nanonood ako, hindi ko pa ito tapos. Maganda siya. Oh, pinapainom niya si Teddy. We wait for Kuya's, okay? Kuya will be here soon.
And he can eat my food.
Yeah, make some snacks for them.
I can make his snacks.
Okay. No?
I'll cook some now.
Okay, cook some for Kuya's.
Yeah. Well, wait.
Ito na si Kuya. Hello, boys. Where's Zach?
Here you come.
He's coming. How are you?
Good, what's that?
Oh, Dad is in Rome. Hi, Zach.
What do you know? What's Friday?
With Bryce.
Mom,
Huh?
can I go to Ollie's house?
Oh no, Baba. No, wash your hands. Don't put your hands in your mouth. No. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Did you make something for them?
Not just too hot.
Oh, it's still hot. All right. Si Kuya nagpapaalam kung pwede siyang pumunta doon sa kaibigan niya, yung pinunta niya dati.
Pork in it. But that's
Sabi ko, hindi.
That's poo.
She's making a snack for you, Kuya. Oh, thank you. Ayan, si Sak, naghahanap na siya ng makakain niya. Kuya, don't go too far, okay? I'm gonna check you there. I just want you to see around here, okay?
I'm always around you.
That's right. And not too fast and watch for the car, okay?
But I always am. Can I go to Ollie's house?
No, no, no. You have to wait for Daddy. And ask Daddy. I'm not sure, Kuya. He's helping Bryce. Yeah. Shake it, shake it first. Oh my God, Saki boy.
Can you ring him?
No, 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 no. Have a snack first, Kuya, before you go. Gusto niya pumunta sa kaibigan niya. Why? What you gonna do there?
Well, you play laser tag and you play outside with him.
Well, ask Daddy.
I don't know what he always.
Can you walk? I don't want you to ride a bike. Can you walk?
We always ride a bike there, but it's not. But yeah, we always ride our bikes there. We're not on the road.
We'll see. Kumuha na rin siya ng Yakult. And sad sila kasi sabi ko wag na muna sila pupunta doon. Hintayin ang daddy nila. Tinatawagan ko si John.
Yeah, like,
Hi, Han. Where are you now?
just going through town over.
Okay.
He's over here.
Oh, yeah. TJ wants to go to Ollie's house.
Not allowed to, he's naughty.
Oh, not
I'm
allowed.
not naughty.
Nagjo-joke.
Well, don't be laughing because you got swimming tonight now.
Ay, that's right. You have
No, but
swimming.
I'm sick.
No, Kuya, you're not sick. You have swimming at 5.
Oh, Mom. Will Dad come home?
Yeah,
Okay.
Daddy's on the way home now. Not too long, Daddy said, okay?
We have only one to go. Wait.
And don't be silly there and behave, please.
We always behave there.
I know. Nagjo-joke lang si Jen. Okay, Han. I'll see you soon.
I'm
Bye,
going
love
to.
you. Bye-bye.
I'm going to.
Okay. Alis na sila. Very excited sila. Hey, Kuya! Water my plants first before you go, please. Thank you. Ayan na siya. Didiligan niya muna yung aking mga pananim doon bago siya makaalis. Nagmamadali siya. Oh. Kuya, water it properly, please. Hindi kinain ng mga bush yung niluto ni Holly sa kanila. Do it properly, okay? Don't rush. Thank you. Tinitingnan. Si Sak, hinihintay siya. Nasa labas na si Sak. Tinitingnan niya ako. Thank you, Kuya.
It's been a day, stressing out like paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause